Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your store plan and admin access are ready, because apps change checkout behavior. Once done, pick a subscription app and install it from the Shopify App Store. This is necessary to add recurring billing. Make sure to open the app and connect your payment gateway right away, since the app needs that for test orders. Also configure currencies and billing cycles in the app settings so product setup later matches your subscription terms. You now create the subscription offering by adding or duplicating a product in Shopify and giving it a clear subscription title. Next, inside the subscription app, make a plan. Set the monthly price, interval, trial length if any, and any recurring discounts. This defines how customers are billed. Then link that plan to the Shopify product SKU so the app recognizes purchases as subscriptions. Finally, enable the app's checkout widget. You finish by rigorously testing. Place test orders, verify invoices, and confirm the monthly charge posts on schedule. Use the customer portal to test cancellations and swaps. Once tests pass, publish the subscription product and monitor initial orders. If something goes wrong, first check the app logs, webhook delivery, and that the SKU plan mapping is correct, because most failures are configuration errors. If that doesn't resolve it, contact the app's support for targeted troubleshooting and restore service quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.